It's Ashley and John is with me in spirit.
Hey, let's go.
And so I'm gonna be filming today a weird fruit video, and basically I'm just gonna be trying a ton of weird fruit and letting you guys know how it tastes, and you'll basically get to see how I react to it. So let's get into the video. Alright, so the first fruit is called a horned melon, which is freaking pokey as. But it looks like this, and yeah, it's pretty weird. So I wrote down some notes about some of these things, so I'll just read them to you guys. So basically this one is called the horned melon, and it's like a jelly fruit, a jelly melon, and it's from Africa. And basically how you eat it, I'm kind of scared to try this because I don't like trying new things. You cut it in half. Oh shit. Ew, ow, it's poking me. Okay. And you scoop it out. Oh, dude, ew. Okay, this is what it looks like.
Let me see.
Squeeze out one half. So you're supposed to. I just got all over that. Shit, dude. Okay, so you squeeze out it. Ew, bro. Alright, I squeezed all that shit out. Okay. So basically it looks like that, and I'm like, it tastes really weird, like, oh, I don't like that. I don't know what that tastes like, but I really don't like that one. Okay, well, we'll be right back. I'm gonna wash this cutting board off. So the next fruit we're gonna be doing is called chirimoya, and basically this fruit is grown by Incan farmers, and you're supposed to cut it into quarters. So let's see how that goes.
Looks good.
Okay. It's kind of hard to cut. It smells kind of weird, but it looks like that. I don't know if it's focused, but you can eat them like an avocado, and I guess these seeds are poisonous. So I'm not gonna eat the poisonous seeds. I'm gonna just like cut a piece off here and try it. Oh, I'm really scared actually.
Eat a seed.
It's okay. My determination is that it's okay. It kind of tastes like a weird apple. Yeah. Yeah, enough of that one. Gross. Okay, on to the next one. The next one is a rambutan. So basically these are really similar to lychee. If you guys know what that is, they're really common in Hawaii. It also says that they're native to Malaysia, so they basically look like there's hair growing on them. So you're supposed to cut it down the middle, and you're supposed to just peel like the skin back. Let's see. Okay, it's coming. Ooh. It looks like a grape peeled?
Looks like those EOS lip glosses.
Oh yeah, it looks like an EOS lip balm. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this. Mmm. Oh, there's something in the middle of that. Oh, it's a seed. Sorry. next one is called a star fruit, also called a carambola. So this one's a little scary because it says star fruit can have adverse effects. So if you have any sort of kidney problems, it can lead to neurological side effects as well as death. So if you have kidney stuff, I probably wouldn't eat these. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to cut the ends off like this. And then you're supposed to cut like each of the little side things off like this. Let's get a good little piece of this. Alright, so it says to peel out the seeds. Okay, let's take that bad boy out. Let's try this. What the hell does that taste like? What the hell is this?
I think your kidneys are shutting down.
Alright, next one. That one was okay. The next one is a red flesh papaya, which I've had a papaya before, so I think this is probably going to be the same thing. So basically you just cut it like normal and then, yep. There's all the weird little seeds in there. If you've never seen a papaya or had one before, you just basically like scoop these puppies out like this. It's pretty good, not bad. So next I'm gonna do, they're called mandarin quats, and basically it's a cross between a kumquat and a mandarin. And what you do is you just kind of grab the thing and you just eat it whole like this, like I can't do a job. Oh, it's so gross. It's in my hair. It's burning my lips. Okay, those are really bad. So next, we have something called a fajoya. Or a fioya, whatever it's called. And it's an egg-shaped plant. And it's from South America. And basically, you can eat it like a kiwi. So you cut it in half and it says, do not eat the skin. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but grab this little trusty guy. Just take a little bite here. Oh, this one's actually really good. I actually really like this one. It almost tastes like a, what is that? Do you remember those like, those hard candies that came in like the shape of a banana and like a little cherry? Or just get them in the like little 25-cent spin machine. Ooh, these were good. This one, I recommend. After I'm gonna go through and rate these bad boys. So the very first one was a horn melon. I rate this one a 2 out of 5. The next one is the cherimoya. I think I'm gonna give this one a 3 out of 5 because it was better than the horn melon, but not by much. So the next one was the rambutan. This one was actually really good. So I'll give this one a 4 out of 5 because I really liked this one. And then the star fruit was also good. It had a really weird flavor, so I mean, I think it's a good 3 out of 5. Like, I would probably try it again, but I'm also scared if I have kidney problems, I'm gonna die from eating it, so, Then we have papaya, which is just a normal papaya, so I give that a 4 out of 5. The next one was these nasty mandarin quats. They're so sour. I don't know if they're just not ripe or what, but I am not down for this bad boy. It was horrible. So I'm gonna give that guy, you know what, I'll be nice and I'll give it a 1 out of 10 just because, 1 out of 5 just because I don't know if it was sour or not, if it was unripe, so we'll give him 1 out of 5. And the last one was this awesome little guy called a fajoya, and it tasted like these good little candies. and definitely a 5 out of 5. So, if you guys like these kind of videos and you guys want to see more like this, just like the video and subscribe, and maybe leave a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, catch you fools later. Peace out. Say bye to John. Bye.